I got a new garden toy and it's something I've wanted for a long time. It's a Gorilla Lawn and Garden dump cart. This was sent to me to try out, but I'd like to show some of the setup process and how it works just in case anyone else out there might be in the market for a garden cart. For the longest time, I have been using this kid's wagon that I found in front of a house with a free sign on it in my neighborhood. It's been helpful to move some things around, but I really needed something like a wheelbarrow for various garden jobs. But wheelbarrows can be a little more physical, and with those, you can run the risk of tipping your contents over when you're moving it. So that's why I was really interested in a Gorilla cart, and I am happy to get the opportunity to try one. This is the 4 cubic foot sized cart, and as I mentioned, it is a dump cart, so it still has the functionality of a wheelbarrow in a sense, but it's just used in a different way. I've got the box opened and everything taken out, and hopefully this isn't too complicated to put together. Here is one of the pneumatic tires. These look pretty sturdy. I like it. It looks like it might be able to go over some really tough terrain. And here are all of the parts to assemble this cart. It looks simple enough. According to the instructions, it looks like I'll need some wrenches, so I'll go grab those and get started. One tricky part that I'm running into is getting these holes to align properly. You have to adjust the pieces and kind of pull them to get them aligned, but the hard part is that I knocked some of the screws out because you put them in on the top of the cart and then you secure them on the bottom, so just make sure that the screws are pushed in all the way on the top. Alright, it's time to get back to it. Okay, I am almost there, but the tires are kind of confusing me. The instructions don't have words on them, so it's not quite clear what I need to do. I'm going to ask a friend who has the same cart to see how he got the tires on and give it a try. Apparently, I was overthinking it, and I did have it right. The instructions or the picture was a little confusing, but my friend showed me a picture and video of his cart, so I can confirm I did it right. So let me show exactly how to secure the tires onto the cart. After putting a tire and a washer on, you take this ring and it pulls out and you push the pin through the hole and then the ring just stays there. I got confused because it just didn't seem right to have the ring flapping around, but the tire is secure, so we are good to go. Now I just have the handles to attach, and then I should be done with assembly after that. And here it is, all assembled. It's looking very nice and sturdy, and I have the perfect first job for it. Earlier today, I emptied out some bags of compost that I had collected recently from a municipal compost hub, and I feel like the compost still looks too hot, but I put some in each of these containers to put some citrus trees in, but I don't want to burn those trees, so I am going to empty all of these containers into the Gorilla cart and add the compost to my compost pile that's actually kind of just getting restarted. So adding this compost to the pile can help jumpstart it. Okay, I have it all loaded into the cart, so let's take this cart on its maiden voyage to the backyard. I've only gone a couple of steps, but so far I really love how the handle turns the wheels very nicely. It'll make rounding corners so much easier. I've made it to the compost pile, so to dump all of this compost out, I just grab the handle and lift and dump. That was pretty easy to do, and it really didn't take much effort. I am glad I got this instead of a wheelbarrow because it won't rust and it can carry up to 600 pounds. Not that I want to haul that much even with this cart, but it means it can tackle a lot of different garden jobs, and I think in the end it will be easier for me to use and is more versatile. Overall, I really like the design of this cart, and I think it will be so helpful for me, especially when I am refreshing garden beds with soil or compost, or I can use the cart to help me just move other things around the garden. I am really thankful that I was able to get this cart to test out, and I can't wait to get some more use out of it.